Today we are going to discuss about the BA Honors 2013-14 previous question. The first question is APJ Abdul Kalam was elected as 11th President of India. अभी जो President of India है presently वो 15th President of India है. वो कौन है? द्रौपदी मुर्मू है और वो इलेक्ट हुई थी 25 जुलाई 2022 से. First Indian satellite is Aryabhat, launched in 19 April 1975. 2012 Olympic were held at London. अभी 2020 लास्ट ओलंपिक हुआ है वो टोक्यो में हुआ था, जापान. 2024 ओलंपिक पेरिस में होगा. ठीक है, ये दो चीज़ें हमें याद रखें. द फर्स्ट वुमेन रिसिप्ट ऑफ भारत रत्न इंदिरा गांधी 1971 में इनको मिला था. 1971 में इंदिरा गांधी को फर्स्ट वुमेन रिसिप्टेंट ऑफ भारत रत्न थी वो. इमोशन रेज एब्रप्टली बट डाई स्लोली एंड ओवर बिहेवियर इज द आंसर इज ओनली दोज थिंग्स अ पर्सन डज विच you can see. World Environment Day is observed on 5 June. Kitabul Hind was written by Al-Biruni, who was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, Alexander Cunningham. Educational psychology studies the behavior, answer is the behavior of the learner in relation to his educational needs and his environment. The winner of Best Actor 60th National Film Award were, the answer is Irfan Khan and Viram Gokhale. Presently, National Film Award for Best Actor is given to Manoj Vajpayee. Vajpayee in 2021 and South actor Dhanush. The winner of Best Actor 2021 के क्या? मनोज वाजपेयी and Dhanush. The central economic problem of every society is, the answer is scarcity of economic source. If the percentage increase in the quantity of a commodity, demand is smaller than the percentage fall in the price, the coefficient of price elasticity of demand is less than 1. Answer will be the less than 1. Indifference curve is downward sloping from left to right, since more x and less y gives some level of satisfaction. The answer will be some level of satisfaction. The cost that a farm incurs in purchasing or hiring any factor of explicit, answer will be explicit cost is called. ठीक है, तो हम लोग any factor इसको explicit cost बोलते हैं. Justice Sachar Committee is related to Indian Muslim. Demand curve shows the relationship between price and quality demand. Which statement is true? The answer will be money is a good servant but a bad master. Arunachal Pradesh state was created from the part of Assam. The answer will be Assam. The Mudumali sanctuary is situated in, answer is the Tamil Nadu. The Durand line is situated between Pakistan and Afghanistan. It is established in 1947 and length is 2670 kilometer, approx 2670 kilometer. In India, which one of the following has the largest inland saline wetland? Rajasthan. Which of the following gas has an important role in maintaining atmospheric temperature? The answer is carbon dioxide. The intensity of the earthquake wave is recorded by seismography. Jhelum River is found in which city? Srinagar. Lok Sabha maximum membership strength is 552. A proposal made in the House of Legislature to elicit its decision on a subject is called a motion. Answer will be the motion. Which act provides India to become independent state? Answer is the Indian Independence Act 1947. Local government are the basis of, the answer is the democracy. What was the name of India's first legislature? The answer is the Constituent Assembly. Human Rights Commission in India was established in the year, the answer is 1993. The chief function of the government are, the answer is legislation and judicial. The next question is, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted and proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly on 20 December 1948. Which of the following is not a regional organization? The answer is United Nations is not a regional organization. The founder of the Chishti order is Khaja Mainuddin Chishti. The Mughal emperor who ascended the throne at the young age of 14, the Akbar. In which one of the following battles did Nadir Shah defeat the Mughal Empire Muhammad Shah? The answer is Karnal. Khud Khasta and Bhai Khasta were the two kinds of peasant. The answer is the peasant. Muslim League was floated in Dhaka in the year 1906. 1906 में the answer is 1906. In which one of the following continent bluff was invented, contributing towards the growth of the human civilization? North America. If in a language code B is written as, if a language code B is written as C and D is written as E, H is written as I, M is written as N, then hero will be written as, here B को हम C लिखते हैं, D को E लिखते हैं, H को I लिख रहे हैं, M को N लिख रहे हैं, तो H को हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? I लिखेंगे. E को हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? देखिए B के आगे हम लोग C लिख रहे हैं, इसका मतलब E का नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? F, तो हम लोग E को F लिख सकते हैं. R का नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? S एंड O का नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? P, क्योंकि हम लोग सभी का नेक्स्ट वैल्यू से रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं. आंसर विल बी IFSP and IFSP. The answer will be, correct answer is IFSP. Look at this series 53. Here the 53, then 40, 27. तो 53 में से 13 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए, you will get a 40. 40 में से 13 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए, आपको क्या मिलेगा? 27. 27 में से अगेन 30 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए, you will get a value of 14. आंसर will be 14. ठीक है. 43. Some boys are bad, all girls are boys. The likely conclusion is all girls are bad. Some paper are pens, all the pencil are pens. Then the answer will be both. Then conclusion, some pens are pencil, some pens are paper. Answer both 1 and 2 follows. In series 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, what number should come next? ये पहले में से क्या करते हैं? 2 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, you will get a value 1. 1 को 2 से डिवाइड करिए, you will get a value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करिए, you will get a value 1 by 4. 1 by 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करिए, you will get a value 1 by 8. The answer will be 1 by 8. यहाँ पे 34 है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the number next in the series is 34, 32, 27, 25, 20. The next number is, देखिए यहाँ पे 24 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए, you will get a value 32. 32 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिए, you will get a value 27. 27 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट किए, you will get a value 25. 25 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए, you will get a value 20. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्या है? पहले 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, फिर 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, फिर 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, फिर 5 करते हैं, तो अगला क्या करेंगे? 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और आंसर विल बी 18. Identify the correct conclusion of the syllogism. All the singers are dancers, some actors are singers, some actors are dancer. Find the odd one. that does not belong to the group. तो odd one that does not belong to the group, देखिए मिल्क का कलर क्या होता है, वाइट, कॉटन भी वाइट है, स्नो भी वाइट है, ऑरेंज, तो आंसर विल बी द ऑरेंज, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट कलर. देन चूज द ऑड वन, कीवी, ऑस्ट्रिच, ईगल एंड पेंजिन. इसमें ईगल जो है ये उड़ने वाला बर्ड्स है, बाकी जितने भी हैं वो क्या है, फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड है. ठीक, तो आंसर भी ये क्या है, ऑल एक्सेप्ट ईगल आर flightless bird. Then hands, next to the hands of the clock will be at right angle when it is 3 o'clock. Answer is 12, 3. अगर 12 बजेंगे तो 90 डिग्री पे होगा ना. Answer will be 3 o'clock. Which of the following sentence is correct? The answer is Mary is as old as my sister. Choose the correct preposition given below to fill in the blank in the following sentence. The question is, we will stop at the mall on the way to our friend's house. I usually walk to school, but I went by bus this morning. Answer will be but. To err is human. To forgive is divine. Sneha acted according to my advice. To do something with one's eyes closed means do it easily. Then which one of these is the correct spelling? The answer is affidavit, option A. Complete the sentence with the most analogous option. Courtship is to marriage as difference is to fight. He is much intelligent to be deceived. Acting is my profession, though I am a teacher. We need to compete at others. He tried to analyze his feelings. Analysis means to love. To take down an enemy means to kill the enemy. She took me by surprise. Choose the correct spelling. Definition is option B is the correct. Which one does not believe in the existence of God is as atheist. The expression to get over something means to recover. A statement consisting of two parts that seems to mean the opposite of each other is called paradox. The antonym of malign is praise. I despise people who are cruel to children. Despise means hate. Please remove the table cloth. The meaning of remove is take off. Choose the correct sentence. The answer is C. The British quit India in 1947. Synonyms of word hindrance is obstruction. It is shameful that in our time child abuse has been increasing. Answer is option A. I accused her of stealing my wallet. The next question is ML Muhammad Ali Jauhar was elected president of Congress Party in 1923. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born in 1876. Hindu view of life is written by S. Radhakrishna. The book Afzalul Fawd is saying of Khaja Nizamuddin Aulia. The architect of Taj Mahal was Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Jamiyat-e-Ulama Hind was established in 1920. Sir Syed authored his first book as Jilul Kalab. Bhagavad Gita is a part of Mahabharata. Option is the Mahabharata. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. For how many years the kingdom of Sher Shah exist? 5 years. What was the real name of Mohsinul Mulk? Sayyid Mustafa Ali. Who was the founder of Tehreek-e-Madhvi? Sayyid Muhammad Jaunpuri. Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah in the year 1540. Iltutmish was successor of Qutbuddin Aibak. The answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Humayun was the son of Babur. Shibli Nomani was born at Azamgarh. Hufatullah al-Balagh is written by Shah Wali Allah. The first Mohammedan Educational Conference was held on, answer is 27th December 1886. Sir Sayyid established Scientific Society at Ghazipur. Regular teaching started at MAO College in 1857. MO is the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, that is previous name of MU, is in 1857. At the time of revolt of 1857, Sir Sayyid was in Bijnor. The first appointment of Sir Sayyid as Munsif was at Manpuri. My Experiment with Truth is book written by Mahatma Gandhi. Sir Sayyid received the title of Jawadullah from Mughal court. In which year did MAO College become the Aligarh Muslim University? 1920.